Yeah, yeah, guys. It's your lady Shine Francis Odige Osenvige, aka Yellow Nomose Worldwide, aka the Born Lioness, aka Nosema Geta One of the Universe. Yes, happy Sunday, guys. Wala wo beniga atadeban before network interrupted my discussion. This is very important. This message is very important for me. I don't know about a lot of people. I don't know about you, but I just know my mind. I come for peace. I come in peace. So, owe emukba atamu menwa. Oga sekwe ohiwi. Zeveniga atadeban. A problem in manivie do ewe. Oboba amieredo. Unyiwe ni omagba. Onyiwe no keke. Unyiwe no wakose problem ni manivie do. No. Problem. A problem in ma the dona industry now or a way more cow agboya ona way more cow a credit that you do not merit in winanuma merit ona me no ati more cow wegele wena me gugogele o cow wegele wena me gugogele o cow gele wena me gugogele the first person to have 500k subscribers the YouTube. Wegele when I me wogele cow no me 1 million followers with Facebook. And we have 50k followers. Who are you no yari ama no me 300k followers in it. Unyiwe ni magbana. Unyiwe ni magba. Wene uwe ya emu mani ke egboto uwe ya emu mani ye dogboto. Okay, when you tell me no pagina or we me 100k followers with Facebook. Oh my no me 400k followers in it already. And we don't know. We do what we go the first person. Etu ya emu mani ye do ni ke egboto video. O we ya emu mani ye do ni ke egboto video ni. Emi no gele muinaji. Emi no gele muinaji no merited the credits. Gia ogwe. O mo no pa go we simie. O mo no pa go we simie. Oh who I wa we ame your own television station be dona asokwo. O ma demiria. O ma demiria. I wa ye first airport be dona asokwo. O ma demiria. Is a credit to you. Is a credit to Imaniviedo. Wina ne man wina jotone, wina ne man wina ne, where do we I'm the first person to do it, the first female actress to achieve it. No, you are bringing us down, you are taking us backward. Back forward ever, backward never. We can never go back. Ukboni meswa English film lebona, we may free obey madam. So may free obey madam. Meswa feature with stars in it, the donor. So may free obey madam. So for you to not come at it now where I'm the first person to act in Hollywood movie. Where you they who born you? Who born you? You are taking us back, my sister. Please stop taking us back. A man roll no me 400k followers. The Facebook as a do actress. A man roll. And when me 100k followers, what is the first Edo actress to have 100k followers? Stop taking us back. Stop letting us down. Oh, we're letting us down. You are bringing us down. Stop bringing us down. Uma understand? Stop bringing us down. Because there we have intellectuals in Edo entertainment. We have people with good vision in Edo entertainment. So if you are coming to be a plus to Edo entertainment, be a plus and not a minus and not a setback. Ega a setback in Ima. Stop making people to look down at us. Because we have toiled, we have worked hard, we have cracked our brains to do things to impact positively on Edo entertainment. So, stop taking us back. I will be so proud if you can own a station on YouTube like Iroko TV. It will not be a bad idea, sis. It will not be a bad idea if you own a station like Iroko TV on YouTube. It will not be a bad idea. Or where ego when I go ave deniero. Ego no wafilokwana no yak bezaga. Di momoya ne ya. Understand? So stop coming out to take the glory. That is where our problem is starting from. Please let these people know. Share this video for them to see. That is where our problem is starting from. It will not be a bad idea if you invent a channel on YouTube, just like an Iroko TV. Nema subscribe. It will be a glory. It will be a plus to the Beninese. So we did not make our names by doing saga. We made our names with the work we did. The little job what would they do? Now we say make our names. You people wake up this morning every day and believe that it's saga you want to make your name by dragging all our names along. Please, you guys should stop it. Wane do entertainers. Not believe we saga wakaya make anyone. You people should stop it. If not, any cow iyenui okinya guwave. Umwenagbe okinya guwave. Stop it. Stop bringing down our craft. Stop bringing down our craft. If not, our ancestors themselves will fight you. Our ancestors themselves, they will fight you. Because we worked. It is our work. Atene iyelo no moseve na ijaiga ganera miri inwina ni nwina eno saga saga o na gele na gbode ma na gbode na temata ibi edome o ma re gweri sinwuna be na uri sinwuna be na udo vai ma be va ni bi sinwuna ni imwe gberi oto aja lele gbe hian udo mai mare ugwe ne mani ugwe do va ni ake no kan mwe gbori oto nu we no do va ma kemi na nu we do va do ma no kan mwe gbe ni oto le gbe ugu mwe gberi oto. So udo anyhow go see anyhow. Udo anyhow go see anyhow. Now the matter with this so because who no lawyer he go rioja. Yes, who no lawyer he go rioja, and anybody wey support who dey rioja he go collect join. So I've come to appeal to you guys. Why drag Edo entertainment industry? Why they make bazoko eh? Why mean you? It's telling me what tell say because you guys are not in our entertainment industry. Or say we gagbe ikoga kwikudan watie u sesikegbe uwe osene oteme eni ni una unyime na magba kireba unyima tosinahin unyine nerebebo unyimu dano kirono jizlawa kirebu unyime na unyime dana ema ubuo ude usielawa oga ime no vini meje di me amu aburu ya itie ave kamakodi nire entertainment tiya iwe wala ira me bije me wa go yin ya okpa mayahin oboka hin wari boye me yeke oboka hin igwa go yin ya nwa seri gwale mi meji wa go yin ya iya igume yin ya okay ugbe wege yin ya na uzo mana idodia okay. Sorry to mention your name. Esther Edokpaji. Okuni kakabo respect okin. Okon any time or anything. He want respect you because he jekin. He oponu lagbera. He a feelings no go through. So ugogo de ne na ugogo me no. Zede we ije ehin. Uma understand. So unyime nu wenyi na omagba. Omagba sime kerebo because nothing is too late. Osewe amose waburu agamose waburu watie gegbe zebose ugose me nyime nunyi na okay the ebe gwedi ono we iya ya temu waburu na we mahimia me on seri ogwe gwaya gwatie jo anabue ugbeni e mosu waburu ukpo we no zebose osino gwalo madasio Esther dokpa you we gugwana ma tell me down. I stand to be corrected. Ya tell me down. Wa fi we tell me down. Ukpo we no zebe ose we osene emina na gbebo idemi anane okay gatie yo iye baba naira iye baba million iye baba billion iye baba pounds giatia na tie president na tie mani buwe na uyina niya ya lekwe ukpo we no zebe ose nerere gbana uwe giabwe anyway wa me do musaga gwe umujugwe umwesaga where you were a saga that is meaningless. It is meaningless. It is meaningless, Egbene. Esagana is meaningless. Why not say that word meaningless? Because Imam Anukao, Imam Yon and not back, but iya where, eyon, or Agele no. Akobe, you wear Agbona, you wear the ini. Ewa, Egbene. Understand? Osalobwa, Anna Everu na eju mama muyere. Anna Everu atwase fwa. Fe, Salobwa na egu meju muyere. Dawe, iyenuwe muna eogwe uboze sejo iyenuwe gamuna eogwe aboze sejo they do je church they church ujo uneru mwejo salobo egumeju umuyere eni sunu gbe gwado mogu weju gbe uje sagaya sagaya titi saga aya titi sagaya titi enough is enough. Saga, let your work speak for you. The song that you sing, the music that you sing, let it speak for you. Let the movie that you act, let it speak for you. It's not by saga. It is not. It is not by saga. Please, my sister, it is not too late. You can retrieve your steps back. If you believe it's saga that you make fame, you are on the wrong track. How come I saga I make it a fame? It is not in our culture as actors, as stars of Edo State. It is not in our nature. It is not in our nature at all. We are peace-loving people. We are peace-loving people. Ogia mi maji. Ogie ami maji. Egeni bikane mana e omodo. Omegbahia pani gan alele. It was always sad. It were wagwalo. It's se were or semeria. Nimando chair way up because maze what ma what tota maze temo get. We me BP. Understand? So iku ofure I imagine it is not saga. So my sister, Esther Dokpaji nijeme. Idien we o ma dieme. But ni ya muji je wegbe ni ya rero we yeke. Ya ti we very o. Won Esther Dokpaji nijeme no seme. Kerere saga oma fiti we ube package dene ube yane ginwina nunwina ge gwanwe ginwina nunwina ge zotiti nwe ginwina nunwina ge zorwe nwegbe saga ya titi egbeme saga ya titi la gogo edo kaka bo da mese no ya me yan ladia me video na oyewe man wati yo tire 24 bit jeje bari ya tiare awa daze adazo my sesi azigo mazigo gogo ma complain we azigo I said what I said. Amati Duong will come and meet me. I said what I said. Mazigo ma complain we azigo so pani amie ni azigo. So wage 24 bit jeje bari wage naya eru jeje bari o waji mewa ya ladia se me o ima emi e ba o popa but imi video no e video ni saloba yo come bome de mi ni una doge dan yo come bome o wa touch me su gboloko it touched me to my bone marrow o ja me ya ladia. People are not complaining no. As far as they see what they spend their money for, because they don't dare see where they want to get access to traveling. They don't even see who help them. So people don't spend money, they chop their money. What they spend money for? They don't even see them. So now when they see honest people, where they make they spend money and they see what they spend their money for, they happy. So stop singing 24-bit JJ Barry. Stop singing their name negatively. I beg every one of you that are singing their name negatively, stop singing their name negatively. It means you are an enemy of progress. If you are singing these people's name negatively, you are an enemy of progress. Please, Kierewa, it is not good. It is not good. We lo dene, we on we go denua. Ne ma ve geseti aseso dene. Emma, that me so more down on what to see. Ekone bisi. Oh, it is not right. Erenitana, imagine a boya like o. Imagine a boya like Sokma, no meo, orijan, no meo, orijan. No, u lai sing winner, u we will get young boy and or sing winner. Oba, Ni make ate English film the Nollywood. Ni make 2009. Ema so ya ye game madam. Ya ye game madam ya me register be ya. Ya ye game madam. Ukponi me launch Sistigwe. Ukponi launch Sistigwe the Kada Plaza. Ema so ya register be ya. Ema ni gwi o ka industry be na. O be gba beriwa. We no bonyeku. May you reason this matter. We no bonyeku. We no goene. Wa goe. Ukmone sha los lonche Sistigwe the Kada Plaza ve dona. Ukmoni na so iriye gbebe madam. Yana ya register ve Edo Artists Association of Nigeria. Ukmoni na so ya register. So we ga ire o ma very only ga ire o gbi o diagbo ya industry. Okay ya. Amagbana. Wa buim out day. If you really like these people, advise them positively. Advise them to be on the right track. Advise them to do things right. Stop clapping hands for evil. Stop clapping hands for evil. It is not right. You are not helping our society. And by not helping our society, you are not helping your children as well. If you pollute this Nigeria, they might be interested in staying in Nigeria. And if this Nigeria is not convenient for your children, your mind will not be at peace wherever you are in the world. Whether you are in America, you are in UK, you are in Europe, your mind will never be at rest. Whether you are in Asia, your mind will not be at rest. Because your child is interested in staying in Nigeria. And you have polluted Nigerians. So, you set people on the right track. Don't because of fear or favor. Where this person will not favor me tomorrow. The person, if you say the truth, and the person that is supposed to favor you, that you are seeing that is the person that will favor you tomorrow. If he did not favor you, God will raise up stone. God, he will raise up stone in human form to favor you. So let's learn to say the truth. Let's learn to set things right, because we are parents. We are parents. When we are out of this world, our children will remain. Our children will remain. And your legacy, your children will start living on your legacy. Which legacy are you setting down for your children? Which legacy are you setting down for your children? Are you making this world a conducive atmosphere for your children to live in? Are you making this world a conducive atmosphere for your children to live in? So as a mother, when you are thinking, think for the future. As a parent, as a father, when you are thinking, think for the future. Don't think for yourself. Don't be selfish about it. Think because of your children, because of your offspring. Because Nigeria until Nigeria why bunda wewe in Nigeria ofurero so gia so furejo na temata bode no keke aga temata bode no keke so waga mi wa mi no winning wina no setting wina wa tia wa kpobone no make na netin ya unya enu aju unu wena no ma ekpe no keke uya mu egboto Emma wow so I want the other seven we are oba the industry ni amawina ni amawina ni oni atike the glory I want the honest channel the YouTube they need Roko TV mo I want no win ezigo yoduku no win ezigo lele ya ona na epoti ye dona I want wama so wagioga eni ni wadodia wa mwegbe toto saga aya nyusi saga aya nyuhwa saga inwina nuwe yobowe nawo aya nyusi inwina no yobowe nawo aya nyuhwa Aja dogba nyagba esaga omo my migboto. You will get the views, fines. But half of the views, half of the followers you will get will look down on you because you are so sarcastic. You are so nyaga solo. Like no self-comportment. No self-comportment. You understand? Unyima daze because oma agui unyima daze ni afiefua. Eme do age we sono. Eme do age we nyaga. Agala me no you fe. Agiye. You understand? Edogwe ologboga omo erimu. So unyima to sini. Why kirebo? Wale le tie gbogbo le we eri wa dogba nyagba, eri wa dodoji, a queen. The Englishman says, ladies are seen before they are heard. A queen is seen before she is heard. A queen is not loud. A queen is not a noise maker. A queen does not disturb the premises. It does not. There's a poetry that says, "Oh, progeny miraculous, particular spectaculars. What a wonderful hair in a mind." And the other one came and said, "Ha, Kako, publish she for your single egg, oh silly one. I laid at least 1 million. Suppose for each I cried, oh, progeny miraculous, particular spectaculars. What a hula baloo there'll be." Yes. We hekekba. We go lele degbeya. Eomagiyeme. Omanogi heke 100 vivo. Ona when ye make a noise lele eke 100 ni ene. Dogbeya ane. Amio we no hialie. That is the meaning of that poem. No hialie, no hiatelie. Amio we there will be noise everywhere. Many Maya wait at him na when I make a noise. Many Maya me one single achievement. Mayana whether I make a noise. Why are you worried? Nobody will sleep. Nobody will sleep. So that is what it is. So please caution yourself. If you have offended anybody, set yourself, humble yourself to apologize. Make a peace. Make peace with all men. Make peace. In entertainment, we make peace. We don't make trouble because we need more fans. We need people. We need followers. So that's why we don't make trouble. You understand? So if you are on the wrong track, it is not too late. There is nobody that is above mistake. There is nobody that is above mistake. Menogwana, he ain't making mistake about where. It doesn't stop me from setting it right. Anybody can make mistake, but your ability to correct it, it's what matters. Anybody can make mistake, but your ability to correct it is what matters. Please, if you are on the wrong track, sit back, relax, think. You are not the first to make mistake, and you will not be the last. Correct it and move on. Correct it and move on, and let peace reign. Please, I appeal to you guys, everybody calling on Edo Entertainment in the negative way. Stop calling on us in a negative manner. Stop calling on us in a negative manner, and please call your people, your persons involved. Call on them to caution themselves and look at other people they met in the industry and set themselves right. Yeah, they need to set themselves right. They need to set themselves right on the right track. It is not too late. And if they set themselves right on the right track, we will accept them wholeheartedly. Somebody like me, I will accept anybody wholeheartedly. I'm not being when I was coming to this life. I wasn't having a friend. I wasn't having enemy. If you call me your friend, I call you my friend. So set yourself right. And I believe even our president, I know, is a humble man. He is not a difficult person. They will accept every one of us in a positive manner. They will accept us. So set yourself right, because nobody is above mistake. Just tell yourself, oh, maybe probably I was wrong in this act. Let me make peace. It is not a bad idea. It is not a bad idea. Please, I appeal to you, you bloggers, you presenters, calling on entertainers in a negative manner. Please stop it and advise your followers. Advise the people you said you love to set themselves right, and will accept them. in a positive manner, wholeheartedly. Okay? Please. When emina uneru, uneru. Emina uneru, uneru. That is my message to you all. Please, don't come and set fire. Don't come and create hiccup between 24-bit and JJ Barry as if they are doing competition. They are not in any competition. And as you can see, they are friends. And they are still friends. And friends they will be forever. Friends they will be forever. You know the individuals that are malicious, that are into this grievance. Call them. If you have their number, call them and advise them. There are about 3 persons, 2 actresses and Mr. Destiny Ebagwa and maybe Mr. Destiny Ebagwa. 2 actresses. If Destiny Ebagwa now with Godfather yekin, honor la industry, all jerere ya siema kegbe. Force ya with Godfather. Force. Understand? All jerere ya siema kegbe. So you will people have worked with their sweat. So you will use brain to draw them closer to yourself. Okay? So it's not force. It is not force. So that is my advice to him also. It is not force. Use brain. Use love. Use love to draw them closer to yourself. You understand? And they will succumb. They will succumb. There's nobody that is above mistake. Nobody. You understand? That is my own candid advice. Let peace reign and stop dragging the name. Entertainers, Edo entertainers. 2 people they do something. Una they drag Edo entertainers. Waiting. Shogba. According to Yoruba, what's happen? 2 people they do something. Una they drag Edo entertainers. We many we pass 500 for Edo entertainers. Una they drag Edo entertainers for what now? Because all of us know they make noise. Not me say we know they work. We they work. We they do our things. So please stop dragging that name. That name is too big for people to be dragging, and you cannot drag it. And if all of us come out for you go enter house. You don't know say we entertainers we not get shame. We just decide to respect ourselves for the sake of our fans. We don't have shame. Waiting, don't you know that? We don't have shame. We decide to respect ourselves for the sake of our fans. Does not mean that you can beat us when we come for you. Even if you are a blogger or you are a presenter, you cannot beat us. We are respecting our fans. That is the whole idea. That's what it is. That's the simple truth. We are respecting our fans. So please, stop calling on entertainers. If those people that are involved in that saga, they are your friends, advise them. Just like as I've just come to do. I've advised them. There is nobody that is above mistake. There is nobody. Nobody is above mistake. If you wrong, make peace. Apologize. Make peace. Everybody will accept you. We'll be at peace. Before 2013, before some people came to join our industry, we they drag food, they chop for mouth. That's the honest truth. If I lie, I they sleep for Sandra house. I they do 3 days for Sandra house. Bless your Roro, they come my house. I they go Easy house. I they go Sharon house. I they go Ebony house. I they go each other house. Before they can't join some people can't join our industry. They want to do oga over everybody. Now that oga be our problem so. And you know what it be. If small pikin want do oga on top you, when you know say you senior the small pikin and you want do oga on top you, how you go feel? Be realistic. Be honest. How you go feel? How you go feel? Yawegbege, ayabu onyenedo. Yawegbege, ayabu onyenedo. So wala wo, ere musician ni kae. Or yawegbege, ayabu onyenedo. If small pikin we come meet you for your work, he wants sit down on top your head. He say like he can senior you. How you go feel? How you go feel? Shebi you not go like him. So if you know like that, why you not advise all those people? Why you not advise them? Because you know say they just sit down, they find trouble. It don't make sense. That kind of thing don't make sense. It don't make sense. So make una advise who una go advise and stop calling on all Edo entertainers. It does not make sense. Thank you guys. This is my little candid advice to every individual. And Bini people, Oboba, Amieredo, Wakirevo, Uan bege no se well in you, Uidane, Okoenu mego soe. Okoenu nego soe uidane. Uidane because all kamana done we or God dawegbe. It will pain you to your bone marrow. So please, let's set it right. Let's get it right and give honor to whom honor is due. JJ Barry and 24-bit, they have done well. And they are doing well. And they will still do more. And we need more people to join them. Yes, we need more people from Europe, from let me say from Italy, from Germany, from France, from Spain, from Japan, from America, Canada, UK to join these guys. JJ Barry 24-bit you guys should wake up and join them. Stop being envious of them. A lot of you abroad are envious of them. If you have the money, you know you have the capacity to bring entertainers to abroad. Wake up and join them and stop being envious of them in the name of saga. Any little saga, you guys should just come after them and not be them be the topic. They are not the bone of contention. Please, we need more people to join them. If you have the capacity to carry entertainers for show, do so. And God will bless you as you do so. Stop being envious of them. All in the name of blogger, in the name of presenter, in the name of Tata Toto, in the name of saga. Stop being envious of them. And the actress, entertainers that are not on the right track, and you know deep down in your heart that what they are doing, if they do it to you, you will not like it. Advise them. And let peace reign. God bless you guys. Happy Sunday and stay blessed. Love you. Once again, it's your lady Shine Francis Odige, aka Odige Osemige. How will I forget my husband's name? My proud man. My husband is a blessing to me. He's one of his kind. He's a red gem. I'm so proud of him. Yes. Your lady Shine Francis Odige Osemige, aka Yellow Nomose Worldwide, aka the Born Lioness, aka Nose Magetan One of the Universe. Happy weekend. Have a fun-filled week ahead and successful week. Week of fulfillment in the name of Jesus. Bless you guys. Bye.